Our next recipe is Quelites. This is a very traditional New Mexico dish, but it is delicious. And Quelites is actually a plant that grows in New Mexico. A lot of participants remember their mother sending them out to pick Quelites for dinner, but we've used spinach as an alternative. It's a very good alternative to this recipe as well. So what I've done, I've got this ready. I've cut and diced half of an onion. And I've just been heating it up in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. A lot of times we think we need to use a lot of olive oil, but we don't. But this is a really good healthy oil. But just a teaspoon works really well. So these are ready to go. The next thing, just dump your spinach in here. Now, when you do this, you'll think, oh my gosh, she didn't know what in the world she was talking about. What the heck? What is going on there? There's so much spinach. This is never going to work. But yes, it does. It does cook down very quickly. And so you just continue to, it's almost like a little bit like stir frying. You continue to cook this. And you can cook this to the degree of doneness that you like with your spinach, but don't lose heart. It does not need a ton of oil to become to cook effectively. So we just continue to move this around. Look how quickly it's cooking. Spinach is a wonderful vegetable that's easy to kind of forget about. And I know these Quelites, I try and eat my snack in the afternoon. I try and do something very plant forward. And so, don't tell anyone, but yesterday I ate some of those that I fixed for you today for my snack. And it really kept me through for dinner. One of the reasons it did is it has these wonderful beans, and in addition to the veggies, you have some good beans. Now, remember that beans do contain carbs, so you need to count that. But they also have wonderful fiber, which is really helpful in your diet. And they really, they have a high satiety value, which means it takes your body longer to break them down. So they keep you fuller, longer. So I just rinsed and drained 1 can of pinto beans, our favorite here in New Mexico, and put those in. And you just stir these until they're hot, they're nice and hot. And the last thing you're going to want to do is to finish this off with some chili piquin. And this is just gives it that pop, that wonderful flavor that just adds an extra spice. You could also season it any way you want. You could add garlic to this when you're cooking your onions if you wanted to. That would be another option. But this is really good. And I know probably you think, oh, I don't know about that, but try it. It is delicious. It's one of my favorite veggies. All right. Thank you so much.